So today in this video we shall factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. So first expression x square and last expression plus 18. So both are same. So now we need the center part. For that we find out the factors of 18. So it is 2 times 9 mean 18 and 3 times 3 mean 9. So by multiplying within these numbers we need here plus 9. So 2 times 3 mean 6 and this 3. So plus 6 and plus 3, it means it is plus 9. So it becomes plus 6x plus 3x. So plus 6x plus 3x means it is 9x. So now we separate this expression. So these both are first part and these both are the last one. So now we find out common in first part and both contain x. So remaining in the first x plus x already came, so remaining is 6. Here the common is plus 3. So remaining in the first x plus 3 times 6 mean 18. So now we again find out common in these both expression. So both contain x plus 6. So x plus 6 is common and remaining in the first x, in the last plus 3. So x plus 6 and x plus 3 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.